Tracking your fitness progress is an essential part of reaching your goals, but it can be a bit overwhelming if you're not sure where to start or what metrics to focus on. It's easy to get caught up in the number on the scale or the amount of weight you're lifting, but effective tracking involves much more than that. It's about understanding the bigger picture of your health and wellness and recognizing that progress isn't always linear. In this video, we'll explore several ways you can track your progress to stay motivated, make adjustments to your routine, and most importantly, celebrate the small victories along the way. The first step in tracking your progress is defining your fitness goals clearly. Whether your aim is to lose weight, gain muscle, improve cardiovascular health, or enhance flexibility, understanding what you want to achieve will help you choose the right metrics to track. For example, if your goal is weight loss, tracking body weight and body fat percentage might be helpful. But if you're aiming to build strength, you might want to focus on tracking how much weight you're lifting, or the number of reps and sets you can complete. Defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals will help you measure your progress more accurately and stay focused on what truly matters. One of the most common methods people use to track their fitness progress is by monitoring their body measurements. While the scale can give you a snapshot of your weight, it doesn't tell you much about your muscle mass or fat distribution. Tracking measurements of your waist, hips, chest, arms, and legs can give you a more detailed picture of your body composition. If your goal is fat loss, you might find that you lose inches around your waist or hips even if the scale doesn't budge. Similarly, if you're building muscle, your weight may stay the same or even increase, but you could notice your muscles becoming more defined, which is a great sign of progress. In addition to body measurements, tracking your performance in the gym or during your workouts is another powerful way to measure progress. Whether you're lifting weights, running, cycling, or doing body weight exercises, documenting your workout stats can provide valuable insights. This includes keeping track of how much weight you're lifting, the number of reps and sets you complete, or how long it takes you to run a certain distance. As you continue to get stronger and improve your endurance, you'll be able to see your progress reflected in these numbers. Recording your workouts in a fitness app, a workout journal, or even on your phone can help you visualize the improvements you're making and push you to hit new personal bests. Another important but often overlooked aspect of fitness progress is how you feel during and after workouts. Energy levels, fatigue, and recovery time are all important factors that contribute to overall progress. If you're consistently feeling fatigued, or if your muscles are taking longer to recover, it could be an indication that you need to adjust your training intensity, volume, or recovery strategies. On the other hand, if you feel energized during your workouts and are recovering faster, that's a sign of improved fitness. Tracking these subjective factors through a daily or weekly fitness log, where you note how you feel, can help you understand whether you're pushing yourself too hard or not enough. In addition to performance tracking, tracking progress through photos is another effective method. Taking progress photos every few weeks can give you a clear visual representation of changes in your body. Photos don't lie. They can show subtle differences in muscle tone, fat loss, and posture that you might not notice day to day. It's important to take these photos under consistent conditions, same lighting, same time of day, and similar angles, so you can accurately compare them over time. Seeing these visual changes can be incredibly motivating, especially when the scale doesn't reflect the progress you're feeling. Your nutrition plays a major role in your fitness journey, so tracking your food intake can also be a key component of progress. Keeping a food journal or using an app like MyFitnessPal to track calories, macronutrients, carbs, protein, and fats, and micronutrients can give you a deeper understanding of how your eating habits are supporting or hindering your goals. If you're not getting enough protein for muscle recovery, or if you're consuming too many empty calories, it might be time to tweak your diet. Nutrition tracking helps you make better food choices, understand portion sizes, and stay consistent with your goals. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of rest and recovery when tracking your progress. Adequate sleep, rest days, and recovery techniques like stretching, foam rolling, or yoga are crucial for allowing your body to rebuild and grow stronger. If you're constantly training without proper rest, you could experience burnout or even injuries that will slow down your progress in the long run. Tracking your sleep patterns, stress levels, and how well you're recovering from workouts is just as important as tracking your performance in the gym. One of the keys to effective progress tracking is consistency. Whether you're using a fitness app, a spreadsheet, or a good old-fashioned journal, the most important thing is that you're consistent with your tracking. Make it a habit to record your workouts, meals, body measurements, and how you feel on a regular basis. Over time, this data will paint a clear picture of your progress and can guide your decision-making when it comes to adjusting your routine. Remember, progress isn't always linear, and some weeks might feel slower than others. But by tracking your progress in multiple ways, you'll have a more comprehensive view of how far you've come.